Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, listeners, learners, trainers and teachers, those who are listening from the world of science, spirituality, engineering, language, literature, commerce, arts. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. The most honorable, venerable, reverend Saint Dr. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji, and from the world of administration and ministry, all the ministers, administrators, doctors, and the most respected father, mothers and mothers, affectionate sons, daughters and lovers. I thank God for your presence, your blessings and grace. It is really appreciable, admirable, because we are listening for knowing the truth of life through science and spirituality. Today it is very nice time, it is nice place and nice action of listening the thoughts of God, thoughts of words of God. Sometimes some persons and organizations, cooperative and non-cooperative, government and private limited agencies ask from me what kind of work should we start for the social welfare, for the betterment of our society. Especially I suggest them, if they are doing, if they want to do social welfare works for the welfare of our nation, for the betterment of our family, nation and society, then definitely they should start the works, they should become the starters of some initiatives, like first one, they can start crown of the lineage, promoting matrilineal inheritance, means parallel to the usual patrilineal one, by encouraging the boy, if he has another male sibling, to relocate to his wife's parental place with everyone's consent and look after her parents as his own responsibility. The Braveheart devout warrior, motivating independent women to marry handicapped persons of a marriageable age. Reverend spiritual father adopts the girls entrapped in prostitution as his own daughters, gets them medically treated and rehabilitate them with the social mainstream by arranging their marriage, thus creating a movement against prostitution. A community that prays for the well-being of all. and in other words, kinners, hijras, or in English we say eunuchs, are the most discriminated and least respected segment in the society. Reverend spiritual father renamed them as Sukh Dua Samaj, took an initiative to adopt them and integrate them with social mainstream. Flight of spirit, arranging free treatment and marriages of girls who suffer from hostile acid throw by the miscreants. Beyond imagination, to reach out to the victims of rape and gang rape and their families, to end their isolation and social ostracism. Young unmarried men who follow institution, devout warriors, shall volunteer to accept them as life partners with their mutual consent. True inspiration, encouraging people to pledge to never accept or give bribes to make India a corruption-free nation. Serving unceasingly to pray for the welfare of people and whole society by devoting at least 10 to 15 minutes towards meditation and donating minimum of 1 rupee per day for the welfare of society. A unique initiative inspiring people to utilize money for welfare works for humanity instead of spending money on superstitions like performing rituals and unnecessary expenditures on occasions as birth, marriage and death. Health delight, educating the young generation to be health conscious by organizing different sports events and promoting mutual cooperation for a better society. An initiative spreading awareness on the menace of AIDS and homosexuality by arranging seminars and distributing books in schools and colleges regarding these, thus encouraging moral values among younger generation. Dignified humanism, counseling the youths to avoid Eve or Adam teasing, that is prevent unethical behavior. Career guide, to provide career counseling to school or college going students who are rather in dilemma to choose the appropriate career line according to their capabilities for bright future. Self-reliance, helping unemployed citizens by making them independent through self-employment or finding a job. Women empowerment, royal daughters, with an aim to counter the menace of female ferticide and gender-based discrimination of girls. Reverend spiritual father has adopted the girls who were to be killed on fetus or are abandoned by parents as his own foster daughters. He has inspired lakhs of followers to take a pledge not to kill their unborn daughters. The bud of knowledge, promoting the girls through awareness and facilitation. Empowered women, operating training centers for giving self-defense techniques to females. Self-esteem, setting up vocational centers such as stitching centers, looms for weaving, etc. as source of employment for women in rural areas. Save womanhood, assisting destitute women anticipated life, helping young widows getting married again, blessings, providing help to financially poor and unprivileged girls to get married, the newborn, to help and counsel young divorcee women to get married again and start a new life by finding good matches, sorrow-free journey to arrange marriages of girls who are physically challenged, suffering from vitiligo, means skin disorders, speech disorders or stammering, etc., with devout warriors, respect motherhood, providing healthy and nutritious food and medical treatment to extremely poor pregnant women, mother-child guardians, bringing up the newly born babies and nurturing the poor pregnant women for some time till the baby grows to some extent, self-defense training to counter crime against women by teaching them self-defense, to tackle anti-social elements, training them in judo, taekwondo and martial arts at grassroots level, access to health and medical care, rejuvenation, organizing free polio campus and facilitating polio vaccination to the newly born, true blood pump, running an international blood bank and conducting several mega blood donation drives worldwide to fulfill blood needs of major blood banks world over. In addition, blood donations are made by volunteers wherever required for the police, journalists, patients of thalassemia, etc., by members of institution all over the world. Institution also happens to be the largest blood donor to the Indian military, including Army, Air Force and Navy. Public welfare, organizing monthly free treatment and medical checkup campus, providing services of specialist and super specialist doctors along with free test, divine light or transplanting eyes, conducting free eye operations, providing medicines and accommodation, care and assistance to thousands of patients in a free eye campaign to relieve stress, organizing free counseling campus by doctors for the people suffering from depression and mental stress in order to alleviate their stress and refrain them from committing a crime like suicide. A medical mini angel, organizing medical checkup campus in remote villages by the institution mobile hospital. Running True Happy Heart Attack Prevention Program for You, a project for free heart checkup and prevention of heart disease through a holistic and preventive approach. AIDS awareness, prevention of AIDS by spreading awareness and helping those who are fighting with it, nurturing mother and child, organizing free medical campus to provide free medical care including medicines, advice, test and follow-up to ensure good health of the expectant mothers and their unborn babies. Back to nature. Homosexuality is a huge problem for the present as well as coming generations. Reverend spiritual guru has initiated a drive to eliminate homosexuality by providing counseling to them, cautioning them about possible health hazards and encouraging them to lead a normal life. Healthy progeny program, premarital medical checkup for pre-medical checkup for prospective life partners to screen for any genetic disorder and ensure compatibility of their blood groups for a healthy progeny. Health for the marginalized, operating a leper's home for leprosy patients, where patients are provided with all the medical, physical, mental and emotional help along with boarding and lodging arrangements. Ayurveda, a panacea, providing treatment of incurable diseases with the help of yoga and Ayurveda with positive living. Help on call 24/7. Ambulance is facilitated. Health awareness campaign to abstain from the usage of non-stick and aluminium utensils and to educate people about it so that one can be saved from the disease caused by it. Compassion movement, birds nurturing, feeding birds and encouraging people to keep feed and water for birds on rooftops. Stop the massacre. Stop the massacre. Ensuring closure of animals slaughters, houses for animals and birds. Securing life, believing in and teaching the way to non-violence. Save life, helping stray animals by providing them shelter, food and medical aid. Protection, encouraging farmers to use the leftover stocks as fodder for animals instead of burning it. It will be useful for animals and save the environment too. Social awakening and upliftment. Supreme obligation, supreme responsibility, liability. Encouraging children to avoid parents' disdain, rather treat them with honor, due obedience and courtesy. Constructing old age orphanages for the parents who have been neglected by their children. Content with one, promoting the message of we means husband wife as one family unit. Our child is ones to check population explosion. Liberation from curse. Endorsing dowry-free marriages. Righteous custom. Teaching and helping people to give up superstitions, rumors, black magic and misguiding predictions. The pure, the true path. Discard corruption, loot, thefts, etc. and promotion of good human qualities like honesty, integrity, discipline, etc. for the wholesome growth of the nation, of the country. Spirit of brotherhood. The well-off, affluent families will give up subsidy provided on different items by the government in the favor and benefit of the needy and helpless, to make the nation economically stronger and more stable. Livelihood through labor, eradicating gambling and betting from the society. The gamble batter, homes does shatter. The gamble better, homes does shatter, shall stay away and motivate others from indulging in battering of any sort. Healthy life, a concerted anti-drug addiction and rehabilitation campaign. Drug-free society, conducting awareness campaigns in different blocks or villages one at a time to make them liquor free. Dint of hard work alone, shun the practice of begging by educating beggars about the fruits of hard work and enabling them to get into mainstream society. Providing free legal aid, free entitlement, providing free legal aid. Get light in the dark, untying the prisoners with God's name and true meditation. Trusted resort, helping those boys and girls who get eloped from their houses by making them and their families understand about the consequences and further unite them so that they can be saved from the so-called hatred of society. Mediation, resolving family disputes through mediation and counseling instead of approaching courts and a tedious legal processes. Save society, getting the brothels closed through legal means, tribal marriages to let them tie in the nuptial lock while ignoring wrong orthodox customs and traditions. Civilized beings, reintegrating tribals with mainstream society, genuine guidance, guiding people about the ills of child marriages. New light of hope, promoting widows' marriage by in-laws family like their own daughter if the girl is willing to. Footsteps together, supporting physically disabled people and gainfully employed to help them to get married and generate employment for them. Devotees metal, encouraging devout warriors, tie nuptial knots with the physically challenged girls. Environment protection and agriculture development, cleans campaign, promoting cleanliness and hygiene by encouraging people to keep the environment clean. Institution regularly organizes mega cleanliness campaigns in different cities which are led by a spiritual master himself. Nature campaign, nature exhibition, making people aware and encouraging them to save trees and to plant and nurture more saplings for the coming generations to live in a healthy environment. People are also provided with saplings for plantation. Scientific farming, educating and guiding farmers to get better yields from land under agriculture by promoting scientific techniques of cultivation. Save the food producer, agronomist, to appoint team of agriculture scientists having the apt knowledge pertaining to farmers' interest who can guide and support farmers evading their frustration and distress which often lead them to suicide. Bye bye Athene, totally giving up the use of polythene and switching to cloth bags. Clean society, construction of toilets by institution followers for the people living below poverty line to discourage open toilets and ensure safety from bacteria and viruses. Pollution-free environment, checking pollution by making manure out of agri-waste instead of burning the fodder in the fields. Water is life. Teaching that water is life, to save it and encourage all for harvesting water. Save energy, making people aware about different ways and means of saving water and electricity. Disaster management, rendering disaster management training and first aid training to individuals through institution. Disaster relief operations during droughts, floods, earthquakes, heavy snowfall and other natural calamities. Fire defender, 24/7 firefighter team with fully equipped fire tender vehicle. Humanity, helping people who met with an accident, helping them reach the hospital as soon as possible and ensuring the best possible medical care. Chemical-less color and reflectors ought to be affixed by expert and zealous devotees on the stray animals roaming to and fro in darkness at night in order to avoid road accidents and save human lives. Safe roads, safe lives. Clearing obstacles like trees and animals, carcasses lying on roads to avert road accidents. Spirituality, confluence of all religions. Believing and promoting religious unification, that all religions lead to one God. Promoting de facto unity to stop religious disputes and maintain brotherhood. Peace and salvation, helping people lead a stress-free life and attain salvation by the path of Guru Mantra. Character building, channelizing the younger generation away from immoral mores, cheap music and other means that makes youngsters directionless by means of spiritual congregations and devotional hymns sung in modern music. Spiritual character, promoting character build-up, which helps build up a healthy young generation free from fatal diseases like AIDS and other sexual transmitted illness without any medication through spiritual programs, yoga and meditation. Divine buds, to habituate children towards meditation, where in return they will be rewarded with pocket money from their parents. This will further help them to attain confidence and stability towards inner peace via meditation. Meditation will also assist them towards moral values and help them to shun vices and eradicate wrongdoings. Divine character, promotion of vegetarianism, new foundations of life, counseling the depressed people, motivating them to adopt a positive attitude towards life, encouraging them better their resolve to fight problems, beside exhorting them to never consider suicide. The promotion of inner self-confidence is only possible through the true method of meditation. Pious warmth, building character, values and good traits in coming generations by encouraging pregnant women to listen to true spiritual discourses and read stories of the noble and brave. Self-defense, anti-suicide teaching by promoting the fact that committing suicide is the greatest sin, and teaching free meditation to gain self-confidence and joy from within. Mission path to serve even after death. Eternal service, encouraging posthumous body donation for medical research works. Eye donation, encouraging posthumous eye donation. Heart donation, an honorable task to motivate people for posthumous heart donation. Kidney donation, a magnificent task to motivate people to donate kidney to needy people under a fully lawful progress. Skin bank, to open a skin bank to extract the skin of dead bodies so that skin of the dead bodies can be used for the skin coating of acid attack victims or burnt cases or fire victims. Welfare from bony cremation remains. The human remains, especially the bony part, are used to nurture and sustain saplings that grow into trees, thereby ending pollution. Salute to nation, patriotism, helping and indulging in repair and maintenance of government buildings and pigmentation of walls with prior approval from government and governing bodies. Boycott Chinese products. Boycott Chinese products, motivating people to utilize the black money stashed away from public welfare. Humanitarian comfort, adopting and taking care of old aged people or children whose relatives have died in any misfortune or war and do not have anyone to look after. Humanitarian favor, supporting the families of those martyred or injured due to terrorism or while defending and facing the nation or at any other public places. Nation's adornment, to assist freedom fighters in every possible way. Salute to Sher-e-Hind, helping the protectors of nation, the army and army personnel as much as possible. Manage heritage to help handicapped soldiers and their families, and to help families of slain soldiers who lost their lives in the call of duty. Mission Smile, Royal Shelter, operating the institution for helpless orphanage boys, where they are provided with state-of-art educational, boarding and lodging facilities, along with mental and emotional upliftment. Child protection, stopping child labor as well as promoting education. Save thy teeny hardships, eradicating child labor and providing them education. Stop trafficking our children, resisting child trafficking by creating teams to check it. Education endowment, the literate volunteers will provide free coaching during the exam days to the poor and financially weak students with their consent to make them enjoy good result and taste success and excellence. Real education, to facilitate financial help and guidance for students from poorer sections of society. Career counseling is also provided to them. New life, providing financial help to patients belonging to economic weaker section to meet their medical needs. Pathway to light, opening special schools for blind and dumb children. Food bank, food is one of the most important needs to survive. Millions of people don't get enough food and many have surplus that they waste. So encouraging people to donate food items to the needy. 24/7 food service is available for the needy at the institution food banks. Cloth bank, encouraging people to donate clothes to the needy who can't afford to buy clothes by themselves. Smile on innocent face, developing book banks and toy banks so that the destitute children can also be provided with education and toys. Humanitarianism, helping people who met with an accident, helping them reach the hospital as soon as possible and ensuring the best possible medical care. Companion indeed, donating wheelchairs and artificial aids to the physically challenged and needy people. True life is provided them. So a number of social welfare works have been started, can be started by any other social welfare organizations. Government also can start these initiatives for the welfare of our society and nation. Our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who is efforting well for bringing the nation up, for making the nation developed, our country in this present time is facing a great problem, great disease, but we can be the winner by fighting against the agencies of disease. How the disease come? By our ignorance, by our uncleanliness. So we are to make our environment healthy, neat and clean, and we are to be aware about our environment. Pollution, how pollution can be controlled, how tree plantation is a solution of pollution. Now it is the right time to plant more and more trees. Not only planting, but we are to look after them like our child. So a number of programs a farmer can start for the welfare of the nation, society, and for his personal spirit and soul. Our present time is the time of technology. Online courses are being launched by the different organizations, but one thing they are saving, they are downloading, they are recording. It is unnatural, it is not the natural, it is against the law, so they should not do so. But in spite of it, they should make their mind update, and they should clean their mind for storing, for recording, for downloading in the mind. So our modern technology, we see there are a number of devices, electronic devices we have. In the off time we can use our offline energy. So this is the source of energy, our soul power, our self-esteem, self-respect. This is the greatest, and we are to maintain it. At any rate, if we are to fight against the social evils, diseases, dehumiliations, then we are to fight against these things like a warrior. As our present Prime Minister, who is the disciple, who is the ardent believer, follower of Swami Vivekananda, and we must go through the philosophy of Swami Vivekananda for knowing the spirit and soul of our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Sacrifice, true patriotism, true nationalistic approach and tendency, true nationalistic stream can change our life. So we should respect our national heritage, our national hero, our national ideal, our national role model. As I am serving with my words, anyone can serve by his or her own words, but words are not only enough. Better to serve by the thought, as our present Prime Minister is addressing, by the thought, by the mind. So that is the greatest. As it is said that tan man dhan, तन की सेवा, धन की सेवा, मन की सेवा. So मन की सेवा सबसे बड़ी है. The biggest and highest rank of the service is the service of mankind. So nice to see you, nice to listen you, nice to watch you, all of you, all around the world. Those who are listening, they must bring a remarkable change in their daily routine. By bringing the change in their daily routine, they definitely will feel healthy, wealthy and wise. Thanks.